It's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another sponsor review. A great quality project here, Stacker Ventures. Be your own VC. That's what I say. That's kind of what encapsulates this whole project, to be honest with you. If you want more details, I'm going to go over a little bit of that right now, but you can also visit stacker.vc for more information. They're bringing the next generation of crypto and Web3 projects to life, and that will be all accredited to you, the small person, right? You're going to be able to increase your exposure to companies and startups in this space that are under the radar. If enough people come together, can fund these ventures and really take them to the next level, and that's what Stacker Ventures allows you to do. It's DAO run, meaning a decentralized autonomous organization, so everyone that participates in this has some say in the direction in which these rounds go as far as which ones you invest in. All right, so we're going to take a look at this company today. Jump over to stacker.vc and you can get a nice rundown on what they're doing, how this all works. So let's go through this whole ecosystem over at Stacker Ventures so you guys can understand how this all plays out and where you fit into this whole equation. So to give you a quick synopsis of what Stacker Ventures is all about, it is a community-led run protocol for initiating and managing pooled capital on Ethereum's blockchain. It's the place where early adopters find and support promising crypto projects before they hit the mainstream. And as I told you guys, this is structured as a DAO, and so this means that Stacker Ventures initiates decentralized venture funds, accelerates portfolio investment, and provides checks and balances to fund management. And so funds benefit from the ability to leverage an appointed entity to facilitate investments without any direct access to capital, alongside smart contracts that control this whole event. So from automated enforcement of fund parameters and capital protection mechanisms, access for everyone, and community involved initiatives. So this allows really everyone to have a say in what's going on over at Stacker Ventures when it comes to investing in new startups. One thing that really caught my attention, this really just blows it away. This drives it home for you, and it should, because it did for me. They said here, you were able to buy comp at a $400 million valuation. But guess what? Coinbase Ventures, A16Z, and other major firms were able to get it at a 10 and 90 million valuation. So you see the gap there, the delta there in earnings you missed out on because you weren't able to invest in these early stage or just starting angel seed stage companies. All right, so this company, Stacker Ventures, gives the small guy the ability to do just that, to possibly hit a home run on the next big compound finance, right? So let's take a little bit more deep dive into this program. The actual term they use, the technical term they use for this type of setup here, is an open access venture DAO. Okay, and that means it's completely community managed. All right, all investors of all sizes can enjoy the benefits of being a VC. In fact, Stacker Ventures project has even been backed by some of the top crypto VCs in the space. And so the launch of this whole ecosystem is being backed by the Stack token, liquidity mining on Uniswap. So early investors can also head directly to stacker.vc and click the get stack, and I'm gonna scroll down and show you guys where that is. See, you can go here, you can now get that on Uniswap. I'll just click on the link really quickly so you guys can see that. It's all the way at the bottom of the screen, or in the footer of their homepage, and you can see what's going on with the Stack Venture token. Right now it's trading at $38.70. It's up 10% today in a down market, and so we did see it jump all the way to $156 before coming back down to where essentially it was prior to that pump, $37, $38. So you see where the potential, all markets want to try previous highs, but I'm not saying you should be speculating with this token. You should actually be using this token to invest in projects that will get you or yield you even more return. The first fund they're launching, guys, is open until May 1st of this year, 2021. All right, or until the cap is actually hit, which is a hard cap of $5 million of commitments. So you can contribute to that by hitting that invest in fund 1. All right, and I'll go through this really quickly on how that's all works. And so, you know, there are 4 different ways for you to get this stack token. All right, so we're going to go through that really quickly. The first way, of course, is just to deposit into the fund their first fund, which is for their first investment. All right, total commitments to this date, 927,000. What's going to happen here for those who have committed capital to Fund 1, they will receive 833 stack are sent to those who have committed capital to Fund 1. Hard commitments receive 4x bonus on their stack rewards, and 50,000 stack tokens are also part of Fund 1 and will be claimable upon the fund's dissolution. Depending on how much you deposit here, you can earn a percentage of that 833 and a third stack tokens per day that's sent to the fund for making that commitment. The second way you guys can invest is depositing stack LP tokens. Once you provide liquidity for stack and get rewarded, you could pretty much just go and purchase stack LP tokens and then deposit those liquidity tokens and earn from there. You'll earn stacks back. The third way is community accelerator incentives. You can play on bethehouse.com and receive a share of 277 stack tokens per day, and that is valid and open until September 1st. Or you can just straight out go and buy the stack token on Uniswap right here. That link will take you there, basically to this screen here where you can swap out ETH for stack. As you guys can see, with the launch of the first fund, you're actually receiving 2,000% APY. That is crazy. These are like the DeFi, early DeFi gangs, right? But in this scenario, you're actually investing into companies, right? So that's even better. Or if you're just in the stack ETH LP liquidity pool token, you'll get 1,642% returns. Insane either way. What we have here, guys, is a clear opportunity that creates decentralized open access funds. With this community at Stacker Ventures, they are pushing early stage projects that could change the VC landscape. So maybe the next one to come out of Stack Ventures is going to be a Compound.finance DeFi startup. Who knows? All while you're earning interest. Something to take a look at for sure. Visit stacker.vc for more details on that. I'm definitely going to put some of my own money in here and just try it out just a little bit. You know, don't risk more than you're not willing to lose. Of course, always remember that. But definitely visit stacker.vc for more information on this new open access venture DAO that's completely community managed. It's your boy Crypto Blood. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And let me know about this Stacker Ventures. What do you think about it in the comments below? We out of here, people. Holla.